Hello everyone, welcome back to the model farm. Here today, the tractor run is busy running up. Just tractors this time, but sometimes there'll be other implements. As you see, everything in Bill's contracting yard is nice and tidy, except the discer and the cultivator aren't straightened up, or the bucket. The pit is nicely covered. Tom has to throw a little bit more tires on it. As you see, he's a few tires back here, and I'll throw them on it. The dung spreader's there. The block for the tanker, he didn't put that on, he forgot. That's all, and Tom let him use the field since he'll be reseeding it anyway. Here they're going to be knocking Tom's old silage pit because he doesn't need it. Jamie's pit is covered as well, as you see. All the tires are on Jamie's. He got it done faster than Tom's. So, here's all the tractors here. We've a nice Case 340, a big old case. It's a Magnum. Here we have a T8 435 with the stickers off it. We've Jamie's Valtra. And we've Owen's John Deere, we've Tom's Massey and Owen's Ford. TW35, a 5610, 6920, and then Valtra. I don't know the Valtra. Here we've another Valtra. It is let me see, a 194. Or 294, I think a 294 or something, or 194, or 154. Sorry, that's 194. Sorry, here is a locals, what you call Dave Brown 1210. This isn't Tom's one. Tom's one is over there, as you see, and Bill's John Deere, and then another locals case, and Tom's 6920, and then Bill's 120M. We have another 6195M and 6616 that belongs to Bill. Tom forgot to take off the mower on the Kuhn mower off the 3640, so he left it on because we'll be going top in this field afterwards. Here we have Michael's Massey Ferguson, and then Tom's Massey, and then Michael's other Massey and John Deere. That's all going on here. As you see, the cattle have been moved down to the bit over their section and a bit of the field. So yeah, that's really it on this anyway. So yeah, hope you liked this video about the tractor run, and they're not going to get going for another while, but anyway, yeah. Please like and subscribe if you want more. And yeah, see you next video. Bye.